integrated school, launching the Basura Buhay project. Anywhere you go, garbage is there. What the world would be without these wastes? Would that really be possible? Waste management has become a major problem in the Philippines for the past decades. Various solid waste management programs have already existed, but were not fully implemented and sustained due to the different hurdles it has encountered. This is one of the toughest challenges that a developing country faces. The pollution effects not just the environment but a threat to human health as well. From national down to the local unit, our governments strive hard to achieve zero waste in the country. Carmen Integrated School joins this calling to strictly adhere to the implementation of solid waste management program over the years. Bringing awareness to the learners the importance of waste segregation, in school year 2019 to 2020, through the collective efforts of SSG and SVG, the school launched the Buhay si Kaduhang Panimulay project that focused on maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness of school premises. To strengthen the previous program, the school came up to implement the Basura Buhay project, anchored in the Republic Act of 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, Depot Order No. 5, Series 2014, and the Davao City's Ecological Solid Waste Management Ordinance of 2009. BMBK.
Basura mo, buhay ko. Basura mo, buhay ko. Basura mo, buhay ko.
Basura Buhay project, Carmen Integrated School is situated in Barangay New Carmen, Tugbook District, wherein it is famous for its sanitary landfill. To others, they may find the place unpleasant to live due to the waste in the area, but the people living in New Carmen, with burning sun and sickening smell of dump trucks passing, big piles of trashes, it is home. As the saying goes, may pera sa basura. These families in New Carmen scavenge whatever items they can find and sell. BMBK primarily aims to develop sustainable products out of waste while practicing the 3 R's, an income-generating project unleashing the artistic side of both learners and their parents. Apart from the main objective of BMBK, it is also aims to bring back life to our vegetable garden wherein produced products cultivated by our green thumbs and supportive parents and teaching staff will be used for the SPFP. BMBK will give life to our beautification of school campus through the proposed sunflower garden using the available materials from the MRF. This project will not be possible without the support of our dear leaders and stakeholders.
Maayong adlaw. Ang komitiba sa Barangay Ecological Solid Waste Management ug ang tibuok konseho sa Barangay New Carmen, Tugbook District buot magpaabot sa among pagpasalamat o suporta sa Carmen Integrated School ug sa ilang programa Basura Mo, Buhay Ko. Kining maong programa ilawom sa RA 9003 o ang Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. Ug akong ginaawag ang tanan labi na sa mga ginikanan nga ato ang suportahan kining maong programa alang sa kahapsay ug kalambuan sa ato ang tibuok komunidad ug labi na sa atong tulunghaan ang Carmen Integrated School. Daghang salamat.
Solid waste management is a challenging program, especially for us being located near the sanitary landfill area at Barangay New Carmen, Tugbook, Davao City. The school proposed a project that requires commitment and dedication to fully implement this project. The school will launch a solid waste management project called Basura Mo, Buhay Ko. It is a beneficial project not just for the school and stakeholders, but the environment as well. With the help of the community, we are looking forward that this project will sustain and develop the crafting skills of the persons involved. Most of all, to the learners will appropriately apply the awareness they have learned that garbage is not just a waste material, but there is life in it. Embracing the reality that these waste materials help them earn a living and become more productive and responsible citizens in the community.
Some people may regard garbage as a mere waste, But for us and the people of New Carmen, it is a mountain of gold and a fountain of treasure. Do your part now, Carmen Integrated School, the school where you belong, a lifetime partner of change.